my YouTube channel, Nights Heads Up. So, for today's video, i-share namin sa inyo ang aming experience sa lugar na to, sa Mactan, New Town. So, as you can see in the title, it is the house tour and it is the unit condo tour and the view outside here and how much our rent here. So, love.
Yes.
What can you say about the place, Mactan, New Town?
Well, I like it. We moved from Cebu, IT Park, and I like it better than that. It's got beautiful views here. The sun shines more. The air is clearer. It seems to be a little cooler. Let's see what else. You got traffic isn't as bad. The air quality is so much better. Like I said,
city.
Yeah, the air quality is so much better. It's not as dusty.
Yeah.
And again, as I said, fresh air, a lot of green, and you can see the water. So that's kind of pleasing on the eyes, and it seems to be sunnier here. The sun shines richer sunshine and fresher air.
Yeah.
That's what I like best about here. And we got a grocery store downstairs, really close by. We've got a lechon where we can eat pork, good pork, and
The
lechon, and then what else? There's McDonald's. We don't eat there that often, but main thing is the grocery store and 7-Eleven down pretty close too. So it's got everything we need. Yeah.
So how about the rent?
The rent is 30,000 pesos.
How much it
a
is
month.
in dollar?
But 500, maybe $530.
530. We excluding the bills.
Excluding the
bills?
electricity is about
2,000 plus? 1,000 plus? 2,000?
I think around, let's say around 2,000
Okay.
pesos.
Yeah.
The water is around 1,200.
300 plus? 1,000 plus?
1,000 plus, yeah. Internet is 1,700 pesos, and I think that's it. That's all it is, yeah. So,
how much estimated?
So estimated about 35,000 pesos.
The rent and the bills.
Rent and the bill is about 35,000 pesos, and
So do you think it's worth it?
I think it's worth it. Yeah, it's so much worth it.
Welcome to the Mactan, New Town of Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. That part, guys, is a bus station dahil maraming mga employees na andito because they're working in a call center company. Meron kasi mga call center dito kaya meron ding bus station para sa mga nagko-commute. So, this is the entrance. The Mactan, New Town. Napaka-peaceful dito, guys, kasi parang exclusive siya. Malayo siya sa big city. Anyway, Mactan is under Lapu-Lapu City, pero malapit ito sa airport. Hindi siya nasa big city talaga. So, pwede kang pumunta ng mga mall. May mall naman ang Lapu-Lapu. Pero, kailangan mo pang mag-taxi or if you have car, then you can go there. At hindi naman siya kalayuan dito. Merong McDonald's, meron ding Jollibee, medyo walking distance from here. And then, ang lahat ng to ay nasa ground floor lang ng condo unit na nirerentahan namin. So, Watson's, pharmacy, hindi mo na kailangang lumabas pa dito sa New Town. Dahil andito na yung Dunkin' Donut, the chat time. Yan, chat time. Pag nauuhaw, dyan din ako nag-order. Especially the Robinson's Easy Mart. Araw-araw pumupunta kami dyan. Kasi ayaw ng asawa ko na nag-stock ng foods. Gusto niya bili ngayon, lulutuin bukas. Ayaw niya ng stock. Gusto niya laging fresh yung binibili namin. So, sa other building, Blue Mart. And, yes, dyan rin kami nagpapalaban ng aming mga labahin, luggage. And then, dyan, then the top, ang magpa-haircut. Then, seahorse, yung mga for rent na mga boat, yacht, para sa, sa mahilig mag-adventure. Dental care, ATM, money changer. There's also coffee, chuku, and Japanese restaurant. There's a lot of restaurant here. Merong chubi-chubi and everything. Starbucks is also here. Hindi ko na na-video. So, ito ang labi. Nasa cluster 1 and 2 kami. Cluster 1 and 2 na entrance. And then, ito ang labi. Napakalaki, napakalinis, napakabango. And very, very malamig. And then, the elevator going up. We're in the 9th floor. Ayan, and welcome to our unit. Okay, we'll give you the tour. The dining room, dining area. It's not room, dining area. So, living area. Yan, ang favorite spot ng asawa ko. Lagi siyang nakaupo dyan while looking outside. So, ayan. Okay. Ang view namin from the window, ayan. Yan ang bumubungad sa'yo every morning. The garden, the view, the ocean, the blue skies. So, ayan. And this is our room. Our unit. It is 51 square meter, I think. So, welcome to our bedroom. Bedroom na kalat. Na makalat. So, ayan. Same, mayroong, window. Para sa view sa labas. Hindi na ako lumabas, ha. Ayan, may chair to see outside kung gusto mong magstay outside. And this is the bedroom. Ayan, marami akong nakahanger na clothes dahil bawal na bawal ang paghanger sa labas. So, ito ang aming kitchen. The kitchen, okay. Ayan. With the vent. Gusto ko talaga ang vent dahil hindi maingay. And welcome to the laundry area. The laundry area na hindi ko pa nagamit yung washing machine. No? Dahil hindi ako marunong gumamit niyan. And this is the view. Look at the longest pool of this condo. Ayan. Mapapawaw ka sa taas ng pool. Ang daming Koreans and foreigners dyan, guys. So, I think that's cluster 3. And welcome to our comfort room. Meron akong tabo at saka balde dahil hindi ko gusto yung bidet nila. Malumos akong pimpim. And then, the bathroom. May bathtub, pero hindi pa namin yan nagamit. Simulang dumating kami dito. Yan, may gloves pag naglalaba. And the lavatory. So, that's it! And thank you for watching!